Good morning, students, and welcome to today's algebra class polynomials problem set 3. Question number 1. Write the correct alternative answer for each of the following questions. The first question says, which of the following is a polynomial? 4 options are given to us and we have to find which is a polynomial. So if you see over here, the power is not 1. Here also it is power is not 1, root 2. Here it is not positive power. Here it is negative power minus 2. Only option D has the powers of the variable positive. So in the other 3, the powers of the variables are not integers. So therefore the other 3 are not the polynomials. Here the option is D. Option D. And the reason is in the other 3 the powers of the variables are not positive integers. Now the second one, what is the degree of the polynomial root 7? Over here root 7, I will write it as root 7 into x raised to 0. Root 7 into x raised to 0. Therefore, the degree is 0. Over here, the degree of the polynomial root 7 is 0. The third example, what is the degree of the 0 polynomial? Third one, what is the degree of the 0 polynomial? It is undefined. As per the definition of a 0 polynomial, the degree is undefined. So option is C. The fourth one, what is the degree of the polynomial 2x square plus 5x cube plus 7? Over here if you see, the highest degree is 3. X square, x cube. Highest degree is 3. So that is why here you will say it is option number A is the answer. Now next fifth one. What is the coefficient form of x cube minus 1? You have to write the coefficient form of x cube minus 1. Let us see how to write this coefficient form. How to write x cube minus 1? X cube minus 1, you will write it as x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 1. So therefore the coefficient form is 1, 0, 0, minus 1. So answer over here is C. C is the answer. See, coefficient of x cube is 1. Over here the coefficient is 0. Here also coefficient is 0. And this is a constant term, that is minus 1. So the coefficient form of x cube minus 1 is 1, 0, 0, minus 1. So the option C is the correct answer over here. Now the sixth one. P of x is equal to x cube minus 7 root x plus 3. Then find P of 7 root 7. Over here how you will solve this sum. Please pay attention. P of 7 root 7 is to be found out. So here you will write 7 root 7. Wherever there is x, put the value 7 root 7 minus 7 root 7 into 7 root 7 plus 3. Over here wherever there is x, I have put 7 root 7. So here it will become equal to 49 into 7 minus 49 into 7 plus 3. So the answer over here will be equal to 3. So A is the correct option over here. Now the next one, when x is equal to minus 1, what is the value of the polynomial 2x cube plus 2x cube plus 2x? Over here the answer is D. D is the answer and it is minus 4. Minus 4 is the answer for the value of the polynomial. Next one, if x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial 3x square plus mx, then the value of m is, and the 4 options are given to us. So by remainder theorem, what you will have? See, by remainder theorem, 3x square plus mx is equal to, wherever there is x, you will put the value 1. So it will be 3 into 1 square plus m into 1, which will be equal to 3 plus m equals to 0. So therefore m value is equal to minus 3. So option C is the correct answer. The next one, multiply x square plus 3 into 2x minus 7x cube plus 4 and write the degree of the product. So what you are getting after multiplication, the degree of the polynomial you have to write. So over here it will be, option is A. How that I will show you. X square minus 3 into 2x minus 7x cube plus 4. This is given to us. So it will be x square into x cube, which is equal to x raised to 5. So therefore degree of the product, is 5. I hope this is clear to you all. Now sum number 10. Which of the following is a linear polynomial? You have to find out which of the following is a linear polynomial. First one is x plus 5, x square plus 5, x cube plus 5 and x raised to 4 plus 5. Answer, if you see, x plus 5 is a polynomial with degree 1, and linear polynomial, for a linear polynomial to be linear, its degree should come out to be 1, x raised to 1. So here degree is 1. So option A is the correct answer over here, since the degree of this polynomial is 1. Now question number 2. Write the degree of the polynomial for each of the following. 5x raised to 4. Here degree is equal to 4. Then 7 is a constant term. So here degree will be equal to 0. Then third one, over here if you see, A, B are constants over here. A and B are constants. The highest power here is 7. Highest power over here is 9. So degree will be equal to 9. Now question number 3. Write the following polynomials in the standard form. First one, 4x square plus 7x raised to 4 minus x cube minus x plus 9. That means standard form means you have to write it in the descending order, starting with the highest power to the lowest power. So the first one will be 7x raised to 4 minus x cube plus 4x square minus x plus 9. this I have written the polynomial in the standard form, starting with the highest power to go up to the lowest power. The next one, p plus 2p cube plus 10p square plus 5p raised to 4 minus 8. This I will write as 5p raised to 4 plus 2p cube plus 10p square plus p minus 8. This is how you will write it in the standard form. Question number 4. Write the following polynomials in the coefficient form. How to write? Now please pay attention. X raised to 4 plus 16. Now x raised to 4 plus 16, I will write it as x raised to 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 16. I have written this in index form. X raised to 4. X cube term was not there. I have added a 0x cube. X square term and x terms were not there. So they have added them. So the coefficient form will become, see how it will become. Here the way it is 1. Over here it is 0. Here also it is 0. Over here it is 0 and here it is 16. So this is the coefficient form. Now next is m raised to 5 plus 2 m square plus 3m plus 15. How to write this? Pay attention children. You will write this as m raised to 5 plus 0 m raised to 4, because m raised to 4 term is missing. So I have added at 0 m raised to 4 plus 0 m cube plus 2m square plus 3m plus 15. Okay. So this I have written in the index form. So coefficient form will be 1, 0 over here, 0 over here, 2 here, 3 and 15. This is the coefficient form. I hope this is clear to you all. Now next one. Question number 5. Write the index form of the polynomial using variable x from its coefficient. How to solve this? Pay attention. Over here, the number of coefficients, if you count this, these are equal to 5. There are 5 coefficients. Okay. Now, therefore the degree of the polynomial, will be equal to 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. So therefore the index form which they have asked, index form will be equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus 0x square plus 7x plus 18. Last term is 18. So here it will be plus 18. I hope this is clear to you all. Now the next one. Over here the number of coefficients are 4. So you will write the number of coefficients equals to 4. So therefore degree will be equal to 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Degree will be 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay. So therefore the index form will be equal to 6x cube plus x square plus 0x plus 7. This will be the index form of the polynomial. Then the third one given is 4, 5, minus 3 and 0. So over here the number of coefficients equals to 4. So therefore the degree will be equal to 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. So therefore index form will be equal to 4x cube plus 5x square minus 3x plus 0.